Welcome to this video. Now we're going to cover a coding interview question, sequential digits. Here's the problem statement. An integer has sequential digits if and only if each digit in the number is one more than the previous digit. Return a sorted list of all the integers in the range low and high, inclusive that have sequential digits. This is the problem statement. If you are given low equals to 100 and high equals to 300, then we have these two sequential digits, 1 2 3 and 2 3 4. We see it's sequential, 1 then 2 then 3, here 2 then 3 then 4. This 1 2 3 is greater than 100, and we see 2 3 4, this is less than 300. If you are given low equals to 1000 and high equals to 13,000, then we have to return this list. 1 2 3 4, this is greater than low 1000, 2 3 4 5, this is greater than 1000, 3 4 5 6, this is also greater than 1000, 4 5 6 7 5 6 7 8 6 7 8 9, this is greater than, these are greater than 1000, and we have here 1 2 3 4 5, and this is less than 13,000. Now how we can solve this problem? Let's see my thought process. Let's suppose that we're given low equals to 100 and high equals to 300. Now we have to find sequential digits. First, I'm going to declare a variable with this sequential digits. Here we have digit from 1 to 9. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to generate every single sequential digit from this digit variable. First, we're going to generate the sequential digit of length 1. We have 1 is less than 100, then 2 is less than 100, then 3 is less than 100, and all the single digit of length 1 is less than 100. If we choose 2 digits, in this case 1 2, we see 1 2 is less than 100. If we choose 2 3, we see 2 3 is less than 100. If we choose 3 4, we see 3 4 is less than 100. So if we choose any two sequential digit from this string, we see that that is less than low, so we can't choose sequential digit of length 2. Now let's choose sequential digit of length 3. If we choose sequential digit of length 3, then we'll have 1 2 3, and we see that 1 2 3 is greater than 100 and less than 300. So let's add it to our answer list. Then if we choose 2 3 4, then we see 2 3 4 is greater than 100 and less than 300. So let's add it to our answer list. Then we have here 3 4 5. Then we have 3 4 5. 3 4 5 is greater than, so this is not the sequential digit in the range of low and high. Okay, if we choose 4 5 6 or 5 6 7 or 6 7 8, this sequential digits, we see that those are all greater than 300. So that is not in the range of low and high. At the end, we'll return this list. Also, we might have the length of sequential digit 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, here our goal is to find the sequential digit in this range 100 and 300, and that's, we see we have these two sequential digit 1 2 3 and 2 3 4, and this is how we can solve this problem. Now let's see how my solution might look like into the code. First, I'm going to declare a function sequential digits that takes low and high as input. For sake of understanding, let's assume we have low equals to 100 and high equals to 300. Then we're going to declare a digit variable that will store this sequential digit. From this digit, we'll generate every single sequential digit, starting from length 1 to 9. Okay, then we're going to declare a list. This list will hold our answer. Then we're going to run a loop for I from 1 to 9. Then we're going to run another loop for j from 0 to length of the digits minus I. Here we have substring, digit substring from 0 to 1. For next iteration, we'll generate this for next iteration we'll generate this. Okay, then we're going to parse the integer from this string. Then we're going to check if that integer in the range of low and high, only then we'll add that to our answer list. At the end we'll return our list. Let's suppose that this is our list. Now how we can populate this list when you have low equals to 100 and high equals to 300? Okay, for next iteration of this loop we'll generate the sequential digit of length 2, 1 2 2 3 3 4, like that. Then for next iteration of this loop we have I equals to 3. So at that iterations, when you have I equals to 3, we'll generate sequential digit of length 3. First we'll have 1 2 3, and that is in the range of 100 and 300. So let's add that. Then you have next sequential digit 2 3 and 4, and that is C 2 3 4 in the range of low and high. So let's add this to our answer list. Then we're going to generate this sequential digit, and we see that this is beyond range. For the rest we'll generate sequential digit that will not fit in this range. Only we have this 2 sequential digit that is in the range of low and high. At the end we'll return this list. Okay, and this is how we can solve this problem. This solution will take constant time complexity, because this for loop run always 8 times. 8 is a constant, and this loop will run at most 8 times. So the overall time complexity would be 8 times 8, and that is 64, and 64 is a constant. So the solution will take constant time complexity, and the space complexity for this problem is big O of n to construct our answer list. Okay, hope this concept was clear. If you have any question, if you have any suggestion, let us know. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.